Hi everyone, it is so good to see you back on the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Wait, did Jensen Huang just announce the end of the operating system as we know it? Oh, I'm serious. Yesterday at GTC 2026, NVIDIA dropped a bombshell called NemoClaw. Jensen is calling it the operating system for personal AI. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a full software stack that lets AI agents, or claws, run your PC, manage your files, and even fix your server code autonomously. Today, we're doing a technical deep dive into why this is the missing piece of the Silicon workforce. Let's get technical for a second. As an IT professional, I've been waiting for this. NemoClaw isn't a new model. It's a security and runtime layer for the OpenClaw platform. It installs with a single command and adds something called OpenShell. This is the game changer. OpenShell creates an isolated sandbox for your AI agents. We've all been worried about AI having too much access to our private data, right? NemoClaw solves this by enforcing policy-based guardrails. It gives the claws the access they need to be productive, without letting them go rogue on your network. But here is the best part for us gamers and creators. NemoClaw is designed to run locally on your RTX GPU. Whether you have a laptop or a massive workstation, you can now run always-on agents 24/7 without paying cloud fees. Imagine a world where your PC is an AI factory. While you sleep, your NemoClaw agents are sorting your emails, optimizing your code, and even rendering assets for your Unity projects using NVIDIA Nemotron models. It turns your hardware into a proactive employee that never sleeps. From an IT security standpoint, the privacy router is the hero here. It decides which tasks stay local for privacy and which ones need the power of the cloud. It's the ultimate hybrid architecture that finally makes autonomous agents safe for the enterprise and for your home office. So, is NemoClaw the start of a software renaissance? Or are we handing too much control to the machines? Personally, I think this is the most important software release of the decade. It turns IT from software as a service into generation as a service. I want to know your thoughts. Would you trust an AI claw with your private files if it was running on a secure NVIDIA sandbox? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in the AI revolution, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.